Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
This is a family. Here is the mother and the father. They have children. This is the brother and this is the sister. A happy family. To show something belongs to a person, we add an apostrophe S. The book belongs to John. It is John's book. This is Maria's pencil. We use who to give more information about a person. Which woman? She's the woman who works at the bank. He's the man who lives next door. When we tell another person what someone said, the words can change. I will be late becomes he said he would be late. Will changes to would. We use special words to show who owns something. For example, my hat, your book, his ball, and her dog. These words come before the noun. When you want to know about a person, you can ask, who is that? You can also ask, who is he or who is she? Instead of saying my pen, you can say mine. This house is her house becomes this house is hers. It makes the sentence shorter. We use whose to talk about what someone owns. He is the man whose car is red. She is the girl whose dog is small. You can talk about the people you like or don't like. For example, I like people who are kind, or I can't stand people who are rude. We use adjectives to describe people. He has a long life, so he is old. She is new to life, so she is young. Other words are tall and short.